Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. Uh, Surely, I assume you would have checked out the intro video to the new series and then watched the Melbourneshuffle documentary, which followed after that, and then there is another video after that called Elements of Dance. The next video after this one is we're going to be going over rhythm and the beat. So before you start dancing to the song, you need to establish, the beat of the song, unless you've heard the song before, of course, and you know it's coming up. And you need to establish and be able to either see or listen to the rhythm. So I have some videos coming up that are going to explain, what the beat is, which, pretty plain and simple, the beat is the bass line of the song. Okay, it's that constant or consistent, bass line all the way through the song, and that is what you will ride. They call it riding. You will ride it or dance to it throughout the song. What else? Looking at my notes here. Yeah, so it's going to be beat and rhythm, and then I will add in some filler videos in between these demonstrations and examples. I try to make it fun for you guys. I put a dance, like I said, rhythm. They say rhythm is a dancer. Have you ever heard that quote or saying? There's a video that somebody edited, really well done. It's the video immediately after this post right now, and it'll help you understand, like, oh, rhythm is a dancer, but there's a couple other explanations that will go along with it. So that's it for now. I'll even talk about some of the later videos, like what it's like to have no rhythm and how you can learn to have rhythm. It just takes time, and expanding your mind and on, like, music theory and learning all this more and more. So that's all I have for now, I believe. Go watch the next video, Rhythm is a Dancer, and then, or actually watch the Elements of Dance first to just give you an idea, and then watch Rhythm is a Dancer. And then the next, just follow along as I post, and I'll try my best to go in order. So I want to show you guys, like, piece by piece, building the foundation. Okay, so that's it for now, and see you next video. Peace.